Sir, what kind of bird are you looking for? We have certification for all our birds.
I want something special.
No problem. I have 3 kinds of special birds.
They looked normal to me.
The one on the left cost $1 million. Let's take a look at its talent. It knows how to type and do accounting.
Awesome! What about the one on the right?
$3 million.
What does it do?
It can multitask. Coding on the left and animation on the right.
Wow, this is even awesome! What about the one in the middle?
It is worth $1 billion.
What? Tell me, what can it do?
To be honest, I have not yet seen what it can do. But the 2 other birds call it boss.
Hey, boss!